two things that come to mind. One is it's definitely sounds like a great way to relate to people, not just in dating, but just in everyday life with all relationships. When we're meeting people, to kind of approach it from either a place of love and openness, or at the very least neutrality.
Some people have said that about this book, which, by the way, one book authority named it one of the top 100 dating books of all time, which surprised me. A girlfriend called me up, said, "Did you know that?" I'm like, "No." But anyway, some people who are not single have said that this is a book for everybody, because it's a tantric way of meeting people, which doesn't mean sex. It means you're perfect, I'm perfect, this moment is perfect. How can I get out of my own way and get these judgmental blinders off so I can see how you're perfect? And that doesn't necessarily mean you're perfect for a long-term relationship. Might, but if I keep these blinders on, I won't be able to see that. I won't be able to see it.